Hello everyone, I am Dr. Abhishek Goyal. I am a child specialist in Gurgaon at Vaishnavi Nursing Home, Hironda Chowk. I thanks Onquist who has given me the opportunity to talk on a very important topic, that is mental health of kids in this pandemic time. Because फिज़िकल हेल्थ के लिए हम लोग सब लोग ध्यान देते हैं, बट मेंटल हेल्थ की तरफ हम ध्यान नहीं दे रहे हैं. और अभी जो ये कोविड टाइम में पेंडेमिक चल रहा है, वी आर सीइंग लॉट ऑफ किड्स हु आर कमिंग विद द मेंटल हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम्स. पेरेंट्स आर कमिंग विद प्रॉब्लम्स लाइक द चाइल्ड इज़ नॉट ईटिंग, दे हैव सम मेंटल इश्यूज, दे आर फसीज, they are not listening to their parents, and sometime, and it is not surprised that adolescents कई बार हमारे पास आते हैं suicidal attempts लेकर कि they are having those problems, they are feeling like they have to get suicide. So which is very shocking and which were not there earlier before this pandemic. So I feel that we should talk on this mental health of the kids in this pandemic time. The first thing is child needs more support because this stress, fear, grief, isolation and uncertainty of the COVID-19 have made them very fragile. Their mental issues, their emotions, they have been plagued by this pandemic. And top of that, kids are not going out, they are not playing, they are not sharing with their emotions with the friends, with the teachers, with the colleagues. So they are 24 hours under the guidance, or I say the parents have become the CCTV cameras. क्योंकि वो 24 घंटे उन बच्चों के ऊपर मेंटली भी फिजिकली भी कंट्रोल रखना चाहते हैं. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट द किड्स बिकम फसी, एरोगेंट, एंड इन एडोलेसेंट देयर दे से कि ठीक है, इफ़ पेरेंट्स आर सेइंग राइट इट इज़ रॉन्ग, इफ़ दे आर सेइंग वी हैव टू गो टू द दिस थिंग वी विल से नो. सो दीज प्रॉब्लम्स वी आर सीइंग एंड how to treat them is very important. There comes the role of parents and the pediatricians. Parents should, that is good कि पेरेंट्स को उनके ऊपर कंट्रोल रखना है, बट इट शुड बी बैलेंस्ड. इट शुड नॉट बी लाइक दैट फॉर द एवरीथिंग दे हैव टू स्कोल्ड देम. दे शुड नॉट बी 24 hours, they should not say the same things. It has सीन दैट पेरेंट्स अगर बच्चों के साथ काउंसलिंग करें, दे शुड कॉल देम कि हाउ दे आर फीलिंग, इफ़ एनी डेथ हैपन्स इन द फैमिली, व्हाट द रिलेशनशिप. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अ ग्रैंड फादर हैज़ बिन एक्सपायर्ड एंड द चाइल्ड वॉज वेरी अटैच्ड टू द ग्रैंड फादर. I think it is the role of the parents and the pediatrician that we should understand the mental status, the emotion of the child with the family member. And the best thing is the counseling. The counseling should be done. We should tell them this is how the life cycle goes, and if somebody goes, their memories, their love, their affection is always with them. And how to tackle this tough time to the child, we should tell them. We can give them examples, we can tell them how they have come up when their parents have been gone or some loved one has left them. They can counsel with the pediatrician or the psychologist. We have child psychologists, we have experts who can tackle these problems very nicely. Sometimes there are some medicines also we give them, so that helps to control their emotions in this tough time. And the last important message for the parents is the quality time they should spend with the child, with the kid. That is most important. And it has been seen that in a daytime at least 8 time touch should be there, because parents are also busy in their work, kids are also busy, but that 8 time touch, when the child gets up from the bed, when the child is eating, when he is coming or he is completing his school work, and the bedtime. So these all time there should be touch of the parent should be there. It touch not required for a 1 hour or half an hour. Just it can be simple. You can put your hand on the face or the shoulder. You can say okay good work. और जब बच्चा सोने जाता है जस्ट उसको थपथपी देना, उसके हल्के से बाल हिला देना. That also important. That gives the connection. Sometime the kids start opening कि पापा मम्मी मेरे को ये प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, आई एम फीलिंग, मुझे नाइट मेयर्स आ रहे हैं. सो दिस इज़ द टाइम, एंड दैट टाइम द मोबाइल्स, द योर laptops, the office work should not be in between your kids. So you have to make a friend with the kids and you have to ask them ki how they are feeling it. This can open them. And one more important thing, the eating, your lunch, dinner, breakfast should be on the table with the family. It should not be in the bedrooms, in front of the TVs, or kids are eating separately, parents are eating separately. If you eat dinner at the table without the media use, without the TV, without the internet, that is the time, quality time. Sometimes kids open with the parents and they tell them their problems. So like this, small tips but very important tips, parents can take care of their kids and their emotional, the mental health. Stay safe, stay healthy, take care of the mental health of your parents, of the kids, and for yourself also. Thank you.